Ready to unlock a whole new world of apps and subscriptions on your iPad using your Visa gift card? Let's get started. First things first, locate the Settings app on your iPad's home screen. It's the one with the gear icon and tap on that. At the very top of your Settings menu, you'll see your name and Apple ID profile picture. Tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. On the Apple ID screen, look for the option labeled Payment and Shipping. Tap on it to manage your payment methods. You might see payment methods already listed. Ignore those for now. Look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on the Add Payment Method option. Now you will see a screen to add your payment method. Select the credit, debit card option, since a Visa gift card functions as a debit card. Here's where your Visa gift card comes in. Carefully enter the 16-digit card number printed on the front of your gift card into the card number field. Next, enter the expiration date found on the front of the card into the expiration date fields. Make sure you enter the month and year correctly. Flip your Visa gift card over and find the 3-digit security code, also known as the CVV. Enter this code into the security code field. You'll now be prompted to enter your billing address. Use your own address, making sure that the name, street address, city, state, and zip code are accurate. Once you've entered all the information, tap Done in the upper right corner. You should now see your Visa gift card listed as a payment option. Congratulations! You can now use your gift card to make purchases on your iPad.